Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. A quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $960.6 billion, up 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38.4%. Looking at the overall markets right now, we are seeing some mild green across the board, especially over the last 24 hours, but nothing too crazy going on right now within the markets. But today, guys, I want to focus more on one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that project is none other than Terra Luna Classic. All right, my Terra Luna Classic family, if we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 0.00023 cents. It is down 1.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 2.1% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.6 billion with the 24-hour trading volume of $130 million. But now, let's waste no more time and get right into the charts and see what has happened over the last 24 hours, and are we still in the danger zone? What could it mean in the next 24 to 48 hours for the move of Terra Luna Classic? I will cover all that for you guys, so let's jump right into that. All right, guys, again, this is the daily time frame for you guys. You guys can see on the daily time frame, we are still below this level of resistance at that 0.00023 cents. 26 cents mark, and it has been trading within this range for quite some time. But now comes the question, is this going to end up even going below this level of support at that 2.1 cents mark, or are we finally going to see some sort of reversal? As you guys can see, we are forming a green candle right now on the daily time frame. Is this meaning that we are starting to head back towards the upside, or are we in for more pain right now? What is happening? So overall, as you guys know, there's a lot of good news coming in the favor of Terra Luna Classic, but at the same time, we do need to remember that there's a lot of FUD across the board as well. A lot of people are saying Terra Luna Classic is going to go back down to zero. This is just a PND. So PND basically means pump and dump, and a lot of people are saying that Terra Luna Classic is not going to go to very high prices. And what do I think about that? Obviously, everyone has their own opinion, as well as myself, but I do believe that Terra Luna Classic is going to make a massive statement for itself in the next coming year of 2023. Let's not forget that there's major big exchanges, big players that are back in this community again, and they are trying to come together, take the initiative to rebuild this project and take it back to the heights that it used to be. But that will require a lot of teamwork, a lot of patience. It's not going to happen overnight. But what does this mean for the price in the next 24 to 48 hours? We will jump right into that. So right now, this is the daily time frame. We can't really tell much what is going on. All we could see is like another green candle that's forming up. So I will zoom into the charts and see what is exactly going on and where it could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, this is the 1 hour time frame, and this gives you a better picture what exactly is going on within the price over the past few weeks. And without a secret, this is no secret at this point that we are in a downward trend. You guys can see we are in a downward trend, and the pattern is playing out. And now comes the question, is this telling us that we are headed back down to that 0.0002 cents mark, or are we finally going to start moving towards the upside? And this is what I've been telling you guys over the past few days, that I do need to see the price above this level of resistance as soon as possible, because this level of resistance basically, in my opinion, confirms that we're still in an upwards channel. But right now, that is not the case. So everyone's eyes should be on this price point, but that's definitely not the case right now. If I do bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about 13.95% away from those prices. And is that going to happen in the next 24 hours, or are we going to see a downwards move towards the downside for Terra Luna Classic? So one thing I do want to point out for you guys is that over the last, I think, couple hours ago, we did see the co-founder, the owner, Duan Quan, seen partying somewhere in the world. I forgot exactly where it was, and a lot of people are speculating, he is hiding from authorities, XYZ. And whenever some sort of news comes out, and related to that guy, that is going to have an impact. And what I've seen over the past is since this entire collapse that we have seen with Luna, whenever his news or any sort of news that come out or he's seen in public, we see some negative impact on the price. And that, is to be expected. That is to be expected. I'm not going to go into detail. You guys know why I'm saying that. So that is definitely a factor that we could factor in right now. But despite that fact, this community is going to rebuild again. Look at who's backing it. We have Binance, CZ, as well as we have big exchanges such as KuCoin finally starting to support this burn. And we're burning quite a bit of Terra Luna Classic on a daily basis. And I believe as we approach the next year, 2023, 2024, when the bull cycle will start, I believe we are going to see this project really revamp and start going back towards the upside. And I do still believe that this year we are going to see more exchanges come and start supporting Terra Luna Classic burn, and more exchanges are going to start promoting it, which will obviously bring more hype. And at the end of the day, hype is the major factor that we need to look at when you are investing in crypto as well, because hype causes people to come and take a look into the project, and that's exactly what we already have for Terra Luna Classic right now. But more exchanges means more liquidity. BTC on the other hand right now is starting to go towards the upside, but nothing too crazy right now. We're still in the max danger zone. And BTC's performance in the next few days could also be an indicator as to what is going to happen with Terra Luna Classic right now. Because if BTC goes below this level of resistance at the 18,428 mark, then we are going to start revisiting our last level of support at that 17,678. This right here is basically the last life resort for BTC. If we go below that, guys, then we're seeing more lows for BTC. I'm projecting 15 to even 14K, and that obviously is going to have an impact on the entire markets. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 41.85%. And one thing we're seeing right now, because of the fact that BTC has been consolidating for so long, we're finally starting to see more money flow back into altcoins. We're seeing some OG altcoins literally explode, like some altcoins have 7-8x in just a matter of a few weeks. And that shows that this market requires patience. If you do your due diligence and research and investing in specific altcoins that have use cases are going to succeed. Terra Luna Classic is a speculative project, but this project really gets me excited because how the entire community wants to come together and really take this project to the next step up, like what happened with Shiba Inu last year. And I still believe this could happen, but right now we are definitely in a downwards channel for the price. What I want to see the Terra Luna Classic do is get back above that 0.00026 cents mark, and then I would be very excited. But I will keep you guys updated if anything needs to be updated. But let me know in the comment section below where you can see the price of Terra Luna Classic go at the end of this year. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.